Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use this GlowWise juicer. So, if you haven't seen the unboxing video, check it out. It was packed very well. Being a card here, that'll be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use it. Their instruction manual is good. I've figured it out, so we're going to test it out, and then we will post a review video on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. That'll be in a card up here, so you can go see what I thought of it. I won't show you how to use it in the review video because it's just a review. You can see how to use it right here. So, first of all, you can see this is one unit. And you might say, well, like, how do I get this apart? It's got a lock, an unlock, very, very clear. Doesn't work, doesn't twist. So, what's going on? Well, you got to open this like this. And there's like a mechanism under here. Now, you can take this apart. This separates the filter from the blades and the hopper. You see there's the blade. This is your hopper. Then you have this where you can take this apart even further if you would like. And this will all come apart. You can get the diagram. It's in the instruction manual. I'm not going to show you how to take all this apart and clean it because that's not what we're doing here. Right here I'm going to show you how to use it. But if you'd like to, this just, I guess I can do it quick. This unscrews. Very, very simple. This will lift off. All this comes out. And then you can clean all this when you're done juicing. You get all the junk out of here. This is not sharp. It's a plastic blade that just helps separate the juice from the pulp. So you don't have to worry about cutting yourself on that. Obviously, if you rubbed your finger on it, you probably would cut yourself, but it's not like a metal-edged blade. So put that back in there. There we go. And we are ready to go. Okay, put this back together. You say, well, now how do I get it on there? Well, close all that up so this is good and locked. And then you can see right here, there's an unlock and a lock. Unlock and a lock. You kind of can see it. We won't worry about it. Put it on the unlock side first. There's a little indicator right here. That line. Line it up on the unlocked. And you can twist that on. What I like to do to make it easier, I just like to take this off, put it on here, slide it over. Boom. Now, put this one on here, on the unlocked, slide it over. Boom. Now we're all locked on. We can close this. Hopper's ready. This is ready. There we go. Let's fire it up. You can hear how it sounds without anything. Then I'll hear how it sounds with stuff in it. So right now, this is on. Off. If something gets stuck, reverse. So there we go. Let's take a look at how this is going to work. So we'll zoom in a little so you can see. Get that situated. And I have some ingredients. So nothing is frozen. This is all raw. We've got some sliced apples, some dried plums, and then some carrots. So let's check them out. We're going to see how each one works. What I'm going to do is rotate this a little bit so you can see. Now the juice is going to come out the one side. Maybe I'll rotate it a little bit the other way. The juice comes out this side and the junk comes out that side. So get that situated. This opens up to allow the juice to flow. I'm going to leave it shut for now till we start building. And then we will see how that goes. Let's give you a little better view. You can check that out. All right, here we go. So I'm going to turn it on. We're going to start with the apples. All right, we've got 2 apples in there. See some juice is coming, so let's open this up. There we go. We got some apple juice. Here we go. We got some of the pumice coming out, or the pulp, the junk. All right, and that's it. So that was a couple apples. My opinion of juicing, all right, first of all, this works very well. My opinion of juicing, I really don't like juicing. I'd rather just like blend that up in a smoothie and drink it because like this is a waste of that much of an apple. But I guess if you really like juicing, that's fine. A lot of people say this is your fiber. So if you have problems with fiber or something, and you just want like the nutrition of the apple, I guess you could get like this juice, or if you just really like apple juice, you could juice your own stuff. So that's pretty cool though, how well that works. Now let's try some carrots and some plums. They're dried plums. Try those too. So let's turn it on. I'm going to shove it all in there now. Since you saw how it worked with just some apples, we'll do the carrots and the plums next. Some carrot juice coming out right there. We'll stop it up. We'll get a better flow. Stuff coming out there. Some plums. So there we go. That was it. You saw this whole bowl was filled with 2 apples, 2 large carrots, and 4 dried plums. Here's what came out. This is the junk. And here is the drinkable. You got about 3 ounces of juice, carrot and apple juice right there, mixed together, and a little bit of dried plum juice. So obviously the dried plums don't have much juice in them. I just wanted to see how it would work, if it would clog up or anything. It didn't. Worked very well. I didn't even need to use this, but I suppose if you packed it full, you might. This seemed to work real well. Look, I'll open this up. You can see in here, there's just a little bit of stuff left around the edges, but not much. So I think overall worked pretty well. Again, you'll see that in the review video. Again, my opinion of juicing though, look if I just put this in a Ninja or a blender or something, I could just eat all that too. But again, if you have a problem with fiber, then this might not be, this might be something you want. You might not want to blend all that up in a Ninja and eat it. You'd want to just drink the stuff. So if you need a juicer, I recommend this one. It's great. If you have any questions or comments, you can post them below. Otherwise, check out that honest review video, and you can see the contact information for this company will be in there. So if you have any questions, you can contact them as well. Please hit that like button, hit the bell icon, and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos from the Honest Reviews and also from the How To video channel. So do that on this channel, do it on the other channel, and then if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. I'll do what I can to help you out. Also, if this video helped you, please help us. Send us a tip. We can keep doing this work. Or if you have a product you want to send us, reach out to us, and we will work with you. Thank you.